Children, in this module, we are going to see the work of sea waves. The sea water performs erosional as well as depositional work through sea waves. It is also aided by currents, tides, and storms. The work of sea waves is also known as marine erosion and marine deposition, and it is confined to narrow belt along the coast. And these erosional and depositional work of sea waves give rise to coastal landforms. The different landforms formed by sea waves are sea caves, sea arc, stacks, sea cliff, beaches, sandbars, and lagoon. All these land features we will study one by one. Children, the strong waves, sea waves, strike against the coast and dissolve, or you can say break down the rocks into fragments. Many large and small cracks develop on the rocky surface near the coast, and in due course of time, these cracks become wide and form large cavities, or you can say the gaps over there. With the continuous action of sea waves, these cavities develop into sea caves. And when a headland projecting into the sea is attacked by sea waves from both sides, a thorough passage is created over there, and this is called a sea arc. And children, when the roof of the sea arc is further eroded, it collapses. The pillars of rocks which are left standing in the open water are called stacks. So we can say that once these stacks were the part of sea arc. The steep coast of the rock, which stands almost vertical above the sea water, is called a sea cliff, and it is also known as steep rocky coast. Children, the waves also deposit sediments along the sea shores which form sea beaches, and these beaches are the depositional feature of sea waves. A beach is a narrow strip of land that lies along the edge of an ocean or sea or lake. These beaches are formed by the deposition of sand, gravel, and pebbles on the shore. Children, when the broken rock materials are deposited on the sea floor near the coast, sandbars are formed. And sometimes the sea water is enclosed between the coast and the sandbar. It then becomes a partially enclosed lake, which is also known as lagoon. That's all for the work of sea waves.